We're going to answer this one, no? Only genius daw yung makaka-answer dito. So let's answer. Okay. Itong problem na to, gagamitan natin ng PEMDAS, no? So, using PEMDAS, PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, here, ang una mong gagawin is mag-multiply. Then, meron ka rin kasabay dito na divide. Silang dalawa yung una, no? Since hindi naman sila magkadikit, no? Hindi naman sila magkasunuran, pwede natin silang i-gamitin agad, no? Multiply natin agad and mag-divide. So, rewrite natin dito. Okay, first multiply 25, and then this one, 5 divided by 5 is 1, and then rewrite this one, and anong mauna? Minus or plus? Depende kung sino yung nasa left. Left first, no? So, 25 minus 5 is 20 plus 1, and then magiging 21. So the answer is letter C. That's it, guys. Thank you.